Alright, good morning everybody. Here we are again working on something else. So, what I got today is these headlights they're on their last leg. Not only are they starting to what do you call it? Fog up, or the sun's peeling, oxidize. There it is. Oxidization. Yeah. Oxidize. I've already tried cleaning them several times, and I've done it 4 or 5 times, wet sanded it and put the stuff on there, and it works for a little while, but at the end of the day it always comes back. And you can say what you want to say about, well, you ain't doing it right, whatever. I'm tired of wasting my time doing that, so we went with the new ones here from Dorman, right? OE equipment, and they're not made in China, so we're good there. What I didn't know is, FYI, if you buy these units and thinking that you got to buy the headlights, the bulbs as well. I went ahead and bought the bulbs thinking that these didn't come with them, but lo and behold, these bad Larrys came with the bulbs. So yeah, I guess I got some extra sets, but these are the new ones. They should look a lot better, and they should last a little bit longer for the daughter's car. So, all right, let's start tearing this junk apart. All right, starting out, taking off these little grommet poppet deals, right? This is what these look like here. What I use is a little Lyle panel popper tool. I just get down in there and pop them up, pull them out like that. I hate these damn things. These things, it just looking at one just angers me. All the years I've had messing with these things, it just boils my blood. All right, so now from here, we're gonna go underneath and get the ones out of the bottom, and then we're going to disconnect. There's a screw in here that you unscrew, so this whole front bumper cover comes off, and you got to do that, stupid Honda, to get to the one bolt here, and then there's another bolt down here, and then there's one more over here. All right, I'll show you that. All right, underneath the car you got 2 10 mils, one on this side and then one on that side, and then you've got these little push pins here. Let's see, move that here. There's like 3 or 4 of them, right? And then once you do that, you've got one more underneath here that's gonna release this inner fender well cover, right? Then you pull that back. Let's see if I can pull that back there, and then inside here it will allow you to pull the cover back to get to the screw up in here, and then that will release the front bumper cover, and you can pull it all off. All right, now once those 2 screws, you can pull the bumper cover off, or I just kind of leaned it forward here. Now what that will do is it will expose the one screw up here, or the bolt, 10 mil, and then you've got one back up in there. I don't know if y'all can see that one. See it right there? Right. Hold on. Let me get some help. All right, we'll glare his ass up. So right there. Right there. See that little bolt? That one needs to come out. That one needs to come out. That one right there. Those 3 come out, and then the whole assembly comes out. Get out of there, you mother. Ha! All right. Now keep in mind, everything is still, wiring harness is still plugged in. So I'm getting rid of these junk ass LEDs that burn out, and I'm replacing them with OE stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna unplug all this stuff here, get it off, and put it all. Look at that, where it got hot. It just melted the damn. Burn the damn car down. Okay. Let me get these off, and then we'll get the new one out of the box. Big difference between the two. Now, one thing before I forget, there's the metal bracket, right? It's only held on by one 10 mil. Just put the bracket on the new one. Underneath the bottom here, it clips in there, and then everything's good. And then, once you get it all in, do not forget to pull off the packing tape on the front so you don't scratch it, but then you don't go down the highway and something you can't see the damn light out in front of you. So, all right, let's get the new one in. And just like always for the electrical connectors, it's always good to put a little silicone dielectric grease on them so you can keep that water and road grime out of it. So, all right, let's get them in. I think it looks a lot better than that piece of junk. Sweet. All right, got them both in. I got one on that side and one on that side. Now the only thing left is to put the old bumper cover back on, and then hopefully wait till tonight and see if the headlights are straight. If not, we'll just have to do a quick adjustment on them and we'll be set. All right, on to the next job.